when I first got these things, I really wasn't sure if they were going to work. Like, I mean, I knew they'd work, obviously, but I didn't know how well they would work. And, I mean, this system is pretty impressive. For 2.8s, a full kit with the amp wires, it comes with, you know, your remote access if you don't want to mess with your, you know, your settings and whatnot. I mean, look, I got this thing for a minivan because my whole back end is full of stuff for the business. So I really didn't have a whole lot of space, so I tried to find something that would fit in between the seats. And let me just tell you, this thing works.